Right, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to have a side door installed into my garage today, hopefully when they turn up. And I thought I'd just show you the before look and then you can see the after. So basically it's going to go right here, hopefully, as you can see. That's how it is before, and then I'll be able to show you the after. But I thought I'd just show you how it looks from the inside before it gets done. So there you go. Stay tuned for the next part.
So they've just finished the install of the door and it looks pretty decent. So I'm just having a closer look, inspecting it. So this cost me £800 to get installed and it's taken me about 6 months. So not the speediest of service. However, the guys that came up did seem quite professional, and obviously they put a half panel in there and a white metal door, and it opens outwards. I did originally have it open from the left, but I decided to open it from the right so you can leave the door open and obviously have easy access to the pond. I wanted a side door quite easily for simple reasons. I like to come out and go into the pond and go into the garage without having to open the big manual doors. Obviously you have to open the handle a little bit to open and shut it, to lock it. It came with 3 keys if you're wondering, and it does seem to be decent quality. Obviously you can insulate the interior of the door if you wanted to, and I'm quite pleased with the actual look. Unfortunately, there was a little bit of a crack on one of the panels on the outside, but maybe that should be repairable. Looking on the inside, they've put a bit of cement at the bottom there to stop the weather coming in at the bottom part of the actual door. I wish I'd done that all the way on my garage conversion. I didn't think about that at the time, and it's surprising that the garage didn't have that done to start off with in the first place. That's what you would have expected from Denton garages. So that's one small point I wasn't too happy about when I rethought about doing the conversion. So as you can see, they've had to put in a small panel in. They call it a half panel in order to fit the actual metal framed door and frame. And from the interior, it opens nicely, no major problems. So basically, now I can get the rest of the actual garage framed with wood and insulated and plywooded. And that's essentially what I'm showing you here, really. The weather did turn, so I've decided to do audio recording over the video so you can actually see what I'm doing here. Obviously, they had to jack up that a little bit. They used a bit of piece of wood. To be honest with you, I would have liked to have seen them use some sort of jack rather than do it just with a piece of wood wedged. But obviously, they can only do what they can. We had to move the electrics off the wall, and obviously that would allow them to adjust the concrete panels, because you have to be really careful with these concrete panels because they do have steel reinforcement in them, but they are quite fragile. So essentially we put the power box back on there, and it seems to be working fine. I've just got to wait for that cement to go off a little bit that's on the bottom. And here I'm just talking about what I'm going to do in terms of doing similar thing to the left on the right wall. I would like to put some shelving there as well. So essentially it looks quite decent, fairly happy with it. And that's essentially really what I'm just discussing here. I hope you found these videos helpful. Go to Technology Advisor 1 if you want to see the full installation of the garage conversion, because I will duplicate this upload on that channel as well.
So guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was informative on installing a door in the side of your garage, Apex Garage. I've done lots of videos on the conversion on my Technology Advisor channel. I will put links in the description box if you want to go and watch them. I have done hundreds and hundreds of hours from the beginning right up to what it is now. So I encourage you to go and watch those if you're interested in learning how to convert your garage into like a man cave or a pool room or a gym, whatever it is. And I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Just remember guys, please remember to subscribe, like the video, comment, share, all that good stuff as well. Thanks for watching.